In Korea, meals don't start when the food is ready. They start when everyone is ready. Together, a family gathers around a low wooden table, the sunset casting a golden glow through traditional paper windows. Steam rises from a bubbling pot of kimchi stew, and the youngest boy waits patiently, his eyes wide with anticipation. This moment, where everyone sits in harmony, is where the magic of communal eating begins. The table is a canvas of colors and flavors. Small dishes of kimchi, pickled radish, spinach, and spicy squid are arranged beautifully. There are no individual plates. Everyone reaches for the same dishes, sharing not just food, but a sense of belonging. This is how Koreans show love, by offering everything they have, ensuring no one is left out. In contrast, a Western dining table feels stark. Individual plates, no shared dishes, one person eating alone with headphones on. But back at the Korean table, laughter fills the air. Hands reach across to offer bites, drinks are poured for others. What may seem chaotic to outsiders is, in truth, the heart of connection and warmth. This practice is not new. In old black and white memories, a grandmother feeds her children from a single bowl, her smile soft and tender. Today, those children, now grown, pass dishes to their own kids. The table is a bridge between generations, carrying stories, love, and tradition. A close-up of hands passing a piece of grilled meat across the table using chopsticks. The young one gently places it in the elder's bowl first. This simple act is not just about food. It's about respect, gratitude, and love expressed without words. In Korea, feeding others before yourself is a sacred ritual. Communal eating extends beyond the family. At a bustling Korean barbecue restaurant, friends gather around a central grill, sharing sizzling meat and stories. Laughter and conversation flow freely, strengthening bonds. Here, food is not just sustenance, it's the glue that holds relationships together. Even in the workplace, the culture of sharing persists. During lunch, colleagues gather in the break room, exchanging homemade dishes. A simple act of sharing a side dish can turn strangers into friends. In Korea, food is a language of care and community, even in professional settings. On the bustling streets of Seoul, food is a shared experience. Strangers stand side by side, enjoying tteokbokki, hotdog, and fish cakes from the same stall. There's no hesitation, no boundaries, just the joy of eating together. Korean street food is a testament to the inclusivity of its food culture. At a cultural festival, long tables are filled with food, and people of all ages gather to share and celebrate. The air is filled with music, laughter, and the clinking of dishes. Communal eating is not just a meal. It's a celebration of life, heritage, and unity. The table is now empty, but the family remains, sipping tea and talking softly. The air is filled with contentment and gratitude. In Korea, meals are more than food. They are a way to share time, love, and life. One bite at a time, we build connections that last a lifetime.